How to activate Google Lens on Android phone. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some steps of how you can activate your Lens in your Android device. Follow along to know how you can do it. Head over to your Google app from your device. Now, this being your home screen, you will see a camera icon just beside the microphone icon. Tap onto it. Then here, tap on Search with your camera at the middle section. And just like so, it will open up your camera. Now it says that tap the shutter button to search. Tap onto it. And once you click the picture, it will show all the relevant pictures from Google. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.